Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Runaway Bay and we are giving you a tour of the Bahari development at Runaway Bay. This is another development done by Proven. Proven Properties did SOL Harbor in Ocherios. Very nice 7-story building, actually 2 towers. They built a Vista at Braemar, a very nice 10-story building, completely sold out. The SOL Harbor sold out, and they built the Vista in Mandeville. That one I don't think is sold out. So they are a major player in the construction business. So this one is their development out in Runaway Bay. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on this development. And Runaway Bay is one of the hottest real estate markets in Jamaica right now. A lot of developments taking place. Bahari at Runaway Bay is one of Jamaica's most ambitious and luxurious residential developments, redefining modern living on the island's scenic north coast. Nestled within the prestigious Cardiff Hall Plantation in Runaway Bay, St. Anne, the project blends elegance, convenience, and resort-style amenities, making it ideal for homeowners, investors, and vacation property seekers alike. Developed by Proven Properties in collaboration with Skillex Development Limited, Bahari is designed to meet the growing demand for upscale housing and lifestyle communities in Jamaica's tourism-driven corridor. Bahari spans approximately 21.5 acres and is being developed in 3 phases, comprising a total of 206 residential units, 86 luxury villas, 73 modern townhouses, and 48 stylish condominiums. The development's phase 1 is on the way. The full project is scheduled for completion by November 2026, with homes designed to maximize natural light, open concept layouts, and energy efficiency, while maintaining a modern Caribbean aesthetic. Bahari offers a mix of villas, townhomes, and condominiums designed to accommodate various lifestyles. You have 2-bedroom townhouses, 3-bedroom townhouses, villas, and condominiums. And Bahari's slogan, "The Community That Lives," highlights its goal of combining luxury living with everyday convenience. The development features 24-hour gated security, a modern clubhouse, resort-style infinity pool, landscape jogging trails and walking paths, multi-purpose sports courts, eco-smart infrastructure, exclusive access to Cardiff Hall Beach, and on-site medic station for enhanced safety and wellness. The design ensures that Bahari caters to families, retirees, remote professionals, and investors seeking an upscale community with modern comfort and security. Bahari at Runaway Bay is set to become a landmark residential community on Jamaica's north coast, combining luxury, convenience, and investment value. With its thoughtfully designed villas, townhouses, and condominiums, world-class amenities, and prime location, Bahari offers the best of Caribbean living. For homeowners, it promises a modern, secure, and eco-friendly lifestyle. For investors, it delivers strong potential returns within Jamaica's booming short-term rental and tourism market. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.